What's up, y'all? Welcome to OffseTRucking. Welcome to my channel, man. Welcome. Hey, I see the channels. A lot of people subscribe, man. Hey, I just want to tell you guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time to looking at my journey, to watch my journey. Hey, I really appreciate it, man. Today, this is my 4th day as a rookie truck driver, man. Hey, I'm gonna do that for the whole week, at least for 1 week. If you guys want me to keep doing it, when I say keep doing it, by telling you guys how's my day going, like everything that I do during my days. Hey, if you guys want me to keep doing it, why not keep doing it? I'm gonna keep doing it. You can, matter of fact, you can, hey, in the comment section, you can let me know, do you want me to do it for 1 week, 2 weeks? Hey, just let me know, man. Just let me know. But the whole purpose of my channel is mostly for the rookies, showing the rookies, my whole journey, how I started, the mistake that I made. And I don't care about showing you all my mistake. That way I know I might learn something from it, So that's why I'm showing my mistakes. I'm showing you guys the struggles. And maybe one day I can go back and looking at where I started, like, hey, that's what happened on my first day, that's what happened on my second day, third day, fourth day, and it keep on going and on going, so that's why I'm hey, that's why I'm doing this, man. But anyway, today I'm on my 4th day. I just woke up. I already brushed my teeth, getting ready. Right now I'm eating my sandwich. Hey, one thing to y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what I do at grocery shopping and stuff like that. But hey, if you don't have your own food, man, first, you're gonna keep spending a lot of money out here. And second, man, sometimes you might go to the pilot and they don't really have nothing when you wake up to really eat, unless you want to eat crackers and stuff like that. But it's always good, man, to do your grocery shopping on your truck. Doing for if you're gonna stay out for 2-3 weeks, you do that, you make sure you do that. But yeah, I had a little confusion about my work assignment. They were supposed to withdraw my active one because on my 3rd day the trailer had a problem and stuff like that, had trailer damage, so they were supposed to withdraw it and give me a pre-assignment. So now they still leave it in my active. So now that's why I just called them this morning. Hey, what's going on? I'm kind of confused about it. Just say, hey, don't worry about the one that I haven't withdrawn yet. Just bypass it and go straight to the pre-assignment. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna finish my food and then see you guys. Okay, y'all. So basically, oh man, it's kind of cold out here. But basically, I was getting ready to go get my load, But I was doing my pre-trip, and while I was doing my pre-trip, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Okay. So I found this. See that hole going in? Yep, find that hole. This there. Then the other one, I found this. So now I know some of you out there probably be like, oh, that's nothing. I still drive with it. So safety first. So I called them. It took me a long time before I finally get them. And then the whole time I called them till we hang up was like took about like 40 minutes. Yeah, it was crazy. The wait time. And yeah, so now they say they're gonna call me, and then they're gonna send somebody's supposed to call me, and they're gonna send somebody to come change the tires and stuff like that. So we see how it goes. So just started and a headache already, man. The whole trucking thing, oh, it's getting to me, man. It's crazy. And on top of that, I got my DB texting me talking about I need to get the load and get rolling. I sent her the information, so hopefully she sees them. Okay, I sent her I tell her what's going on, so hopefully she see them. And then yeah, so at this point I'm doing what they teach me to do and what I think is best to do. All right, so now I'm waiting for them. When they come and we see what they do and we see how long that thing gonna take. So they came. See, I don't know if you guys can see the truck right here. So they did come. I've been waiting for like 2 hours, and the guy told me that it's okay to drive it. It's not a big thing. So they call Schneider. So they say it's okay to drive it. So yeah, the guy left. So now, hey man, I know I waste that time. It looked like wasting time because I call. But hey, if you're a rookie, man, that's the best thing to do. If you see something, call, man, because you're a rookie, you don't even know a thing. Like this week is my learning week. It's my learning process. I know some people might go in the comment and say some smart stuff about it, but hey, it's my first week. I'm in my learning process. All right, so now I'm about to start. I already burned some of my time. Now I'm about to start. Yeah, burned some of it. Now I'm about to start, and then gonna pick up my load, and then I'm gonna hit the road. This is my first time fueling the truck by myself. At a truck stop, fueling the truck by myself. First time. All right. Oh shit! I made a lot of money already. So the app, they're gonna ask you to download the pilot app. They're gonna ask you to put the information within the app. Again, always remember, guys, it's two sides. There's this side, and then you go on the other side too. When you go, you lift that up, and you put it on the other side too. You know, there's two tanks on it. So that's where I'm at with it right now. Putting gas in that sucker. Let's see how much it's gonna take. Probably gonna take a lot of money. Shush! $347 already. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. All these things are rookie stuff. So when you do it on the app, Alex, they're gonna give you a code. They're gonna ask you all the information. It's easy. Easy thing. Okay? Then buy the information. Okay, right now I'm selling at $388. Alright, real quick, guys. When you're putting that thing on, you see that chain? Make sure it's all. Let's go on. Okay? Make sure it's really lined up. And then when you twist it, you have to hear that click sound. Okay? That's when you know it's really tight. And always got that glove on your hand. So now, guys, I'm done fueling. Well, quick story, man. I was there, right? I was at that truck stop already. When they, Schneider have to be the one that give you the where to go fuel, right? So they send me the location, and I'm looking at my GPS, putting the address, going in. The GPS made me go all the way around. So I ended up going to a Flying J that was right across the pilot that I was at, and it wasn't that. Because when I checked the mobile app, the number is not the same thing, right? So when I go back again, guess what? It was the same goddamn pilot that I was at. I'm like, God damn it. Hey, all of those stuff are like rookie mistake, man. Man, it's crazy, bro. Right now I'm at the shipper, guys, the customer. So this is the same place that I came yesterday where the trailer wasn't good on my load. So I'm at the same place right now. So I guess they already put it in another. They did put it in another trailer, yesterday. So I'm picking it up today. So hopefully that trailer is good. Hopefully we got no headache. So that way we can be on our way. We can be good to go, because we cannot be wasting no more time, man. Can't be wasting no more time, man. But yeah, so I'm waiting right now. So I should go a little bit more forward and then should be good to go. Guys, it's really ridiculous. I'm getting fed up with I'm getting fed up with this company, man. Every freaking piece of equipment they send me to pick up have a problem. Look, now tell me if I can drive with something like this, man. Like, look, tell me if I can drive with something like this. If DOT get me, DOT caught me, they be happy to kill my ass with tickets. Look, it's not done yet. Look, every freaking piece of equipment. So now, when you call this, you can take a chance with it. But this, look. Now tell me if I can drive with something like this. I already spent a lot of time this morning checking my tire for my tractor. I thought it was bad, but they say it's not. Okay, so now I have to call the shop or whatever they call them to come like to check it out or to send me somewhere to fix it. Like, it's ridiculous, burning all my time, man. It's ridiculous, man. So now I'm here for the waiting game. Guys, if you rookie, man, especially the rookies, don't take chance driving with something that you know you're not supposed to drive with, man. I'm getting frustrated. It's ridiculous. My time are burning. Hey, somebody got to starting paying me for a breakdown, because it's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. You guys see? Now the tire is getting changed up. I've been waiting for a while. Burning time, so tire is getting changed up. Now they're gonna put a new one with new rims. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Oh my God! Look, I've been fighting with that sucker to go in for a long time. I know I'm not doing it wrong. It's be like this, and you push it in to go up, right? But that shit's taking forever to go up. And guess what? Now I know that I wasn't the only one that had a problem with that trailer, because you know what? Somebody did leave a message. And if you want to read it, there it is. Rag-ass trailer. Yep. So apparently other people know that's a bullshit trailer. So I'm the one that's fighting with it now, but other people have been doing it. Man, at this point, man, I'm so over it. So over this company, man. It's crazy. But I've been fighting with that thing to go up, because it gotta be all the way up. This, gotta touch this, it gotta be all the way up before I live with it, okay? But look, it's not going up. Taking forever, man. God damn it. Whew. Alright, guys, so I call it a day, okay? So as you guys can see, I parked, look for a truck stop. I parked, but oh man, I came in the worst, I would say the worst truck stop to park at as a rookie. Let me tell you this, man. Oh my God. I was first of all, I pick up my load so late, you know. And the thing is, I don't want to park at night because, hey, I don't want to drive at night and then have to park at night, because at night, when it comes like 7, 8 o'clock, even 6 o'clock, like it's parking in the truck stop is really like, it can be really difficult to find a good one to park at, especially if you're a rookie. So that's why I try to start early, so I can end up early. That way I can just get a parking spot and just pull in. I don't have to do all that backing crap, okay? But I came to one of them. Okay, the truck stop is so tight. There was a free parking, not only one, there was a multiple free parking, but it's so tight. I know that I couldn't do it, okay? I asked a guy to help me out. He said, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. If you can get like a reserve parking and pay for it, just do it, okay? Just do it, because this truck stop, I told the guy, I'm honest, told the guy that, hey, I'm a rookie and stuff. And he's like, yeah, man, that would be your best bet to do, man. Just pay for a parking spot and do it, because the one that reserve, the one that you pay for, got more room, and there's a lot of them that's kind of empty, you know, because a lot of truckers don't want to pay for them. Okay, so I feel like only rookies and people that don't care about that money that take them. Okay, but anyway, I took it. I listened to the guy, and then I turn around and go to the reserve one. Oh my God, there was like 2 parking that was next to each other, and I was trying to take them, one of them. Oh my God, like it took me a longest time to do it. Let me tell you this, it took me a longest time to do it. So now I had to ask somebody. This is that lady that going in. I had to ask her. I don't know if y'all see her, but I had to ask her. See how she parked? She parked that way. I don't know how she gonna get out in the morning. She gonna have to back up all the way. But anyway, I asked her to help me out. She's like, she started helping me out, like help me with my blind sign and stuff like that. And then she's like, you know what? There was another guy that came out. She's like, you know what? You can ask him. Maybe he can help you way more better than I can. I'm like, all right. So the other guy tried to help me out. It still take me the longest time to do it. He tried to help me out. Now there was another young dude that came out, and they tried to help me out too. They tried to help me out, man. Them 2 brothers, man, they helped me out. They took their time and helped me out until I get that parking spot, man. It took me literally 30 minutes to get that freaking parking spot, okay? Let me tell you this. If you're a rookie, I would suggest that you start your shift early in the morning, and try to look for a large truck stop so you can park at early, like 4 or 5 in the afternoon. Okay, 5. I would say 5. That's the latest. So you can get like a good parking spot. Because let me tell you this, man. If you're not really sure about your backing, man, hey, it's gonna take you a while, man. Like this dude over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that dude over there, he be fighting for like 15 minutes now. Okay, more than 15 minutes now. He be fighting to get that spot. So I don't know. I can tell he's a rookie because if he's taking that long to take the parking, I can tell he's a rookie like me. But anyway, yeah, man, these 2 brothers helped me out, man, and I finally get it, man. So now I have to pay that parking spot. And by the way, the parking is $15 for the spot. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that receipt and send it to Schneider and see if Schneider gonna pay me, you know, and see if Schneider gonna pay me for that parking. Okay, see if Schneider gonna reimburse me. They should, especially it's just a parking spot that I pay for. It's not like I buy something to eat or whatever, but they should help me with, they should reimburse me that crap. Okay, so yeah, man, so basically I spend most of my hours, but tomorrow I'm ready to start early so I can drive a lot. Okay, early so I can drive a lot, man. So yeah, man, that was day 4. As you can see, guys, it was a long day for me, a long day for me, man. So now I'm about to take a bath, to shower, and then maybe get something to eat. Not maybe, because I'm hungry, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then yeah, man, be good to go, man. Good to go. Hey, man, hopefully you guys learned something today on my 4th day. Hopefully you guys learned something, especially the rookies. Hey, man, I'm out. See you guys for another video tomorrow. I'm gonna have another video on my 5th day. Hey, I'm gonna keep this going, man. Hey, I know that's gonna help you guys a lot, especially people that's coming to Schneider, rookies that's starting with Schneiders. Pretty sure you guys gonna learn something from this. All right, so now, man, I'm ready to take a shower, eat something, and then go to sleep, man. Look, you see, people are crazy right here. Listen, you see them truck stop? That's how busy they're getting. Hey, look at that girl running. That's how busy, I don't know if you guys see, but that's how busy truck stop are getting, man. Hey, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, man. I'm out.